What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the prep episode before Killarney in Cape Town. So I'm getting the car ready. This is going to be a bit of a labor intensive episode, but it's all for a good cause, because at the end you guys are going to see what I've kind of been up to. So I've just got to crack on with it in this episode. I've got quite a bit to do. It's just me tonight. So what I'm going to do is just get started. I'll film a bit of the background with my GoPro because it's quite messy, and then we'll just get stuck in, explain everything to you, and then we're going to do some cool stuff. I'm Jacques from SSBB Builds. I've been racing front wheel drive for over 8 years. I won a championship, came runner up in 2 others. I'm building this BMW to find out what it's like to be involved with rear wheel drive cars and the classic BMW heritage. Join me on this discovery as I share my passion. Let's see if we can get this out. It's been quite an adventure cutting this thing out here. So this is the spare wheel well. Now I've got a little catch thingy there. Let's hope I don't die. Try again. Alrighty, gonna get a bit brave here. If you want to see some more of this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you're good to go. Oh boy, aluminium under there. Battery's flat. Right, so there's a piece right at the end here. It's catching in the corner there. Oh, I see. Damn. Bit more grinding. Been slaving away. Here we go. Yeah. Woo. Well, there we go. That is the spare wheel well out. So this is a common mod that people do. In fact, they even hack out the side here. I've left this for now because of the exhaust. The exhaust is hanging on brackets from there, and it's also a bit of cross weight balancing I'm looking for. So obviously I've got to clean all of this up. Now we have quite an open back section. So I'm going to do something over here, and obviously I need to close this whole section up, but we're not going to be able to do that in this episode. I'm a bit pushed for time tonight, and I've got to get this video out this week. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put it on the wheels, and we're going to weigh the car, and I want to see what it weighs with me in it now that it's got the 4-cylinder in, and we've done quite a few mods to shed some weight. So let me show you exactly what we've done. Alright, so on the front of the car with these front bumper mounts, we've modified the bumper mounts. You can see it in the video here, and took a little bit of weight off, I think a kilo or something, and we've also removed the fiberglass inserts, and that has saved quite a lot of weight. So when I tested the car like this, but it does not have the stiffener inside the bumper. So there's a lot of weight we've saved there. I think 3 kilograms just on the stiffener, and it's probably a kilogram or something on the on the actual mount. So quite a lot of weight we've saved there. We've also swapped out the glass windows for polycarb, same as the back here. So we've got some weight savings there. We've gone to these 17-inch wheels. These are Koya Racing. Not sure where they're from, but they're quite a bit lighter than the M Sport rims. So we've saved weight there. We've taken out the rear stiffener. We still need to modify these. So what I will do is just take this fiberglass off for when we weigh the car now, and then we'll just take the bumper, put it on the car, and then we can actually weigh the car and see how much we've taken out, more or less. We've got this thing out. Let's weigh this thing quickly. All right, so we have the wheel well, corner weight scale, and it's connected to the digital readout. So I'm going to place the camera. All right, left rear, let's zero it. Where are we at? 7 kilograms. Wow, that is big. That's a big win. Doesn't sound like much, but that's a big win. So like I say, it doesn't sound like much, but 7 kilograms at the back of the car, that's a big win. It's outside the wheelbase, so this should be pretty freaking epic. So what we need to do now, I need to get the jacks under this car and just get it on the scale, get the scales under this car, get it out on the scales, and let's see where we get to. Yeah, from here we got to do a bit of cleanup. We got to clean this up. I forgot to mention, we also took this boot lining out. Boot lining, I don't know what you call it, but we took that thing out. You can feel it's quite a bit lighter. Could even take these shocks out. In fact, I'll do that. Take the shocks out as well, and really it's because we need a bit less weight because of the 1.9 litre motor we're running in this car, this 4-cylinder. It's really peaky, it makes good jam, but yeah, it's not a 6-cylinder, you know, so we need all of the handling we can get, as much lightness as we can get, and just try and make it a nice, quick, nimble package. So yeah, nothing left to do, but let's get it on the scale. Alright, so we are going to lower it onto the car. Now it's got about probably around 20 litres of fuel in it. 1055. That's encouraging. Alright, so the moment of truth, 1064 without me in it. Let's see. Now I won't know because I'm not looking at the camera, but that's pretty much it. Let's see with me in the car. So there we go, guys. It's more or less 1137 with fuel and me in the car. We might find one or two here and there, but you would think that it would be more. So that's about 45 odd kilograms we've saved, going from the 6-cylinder to the 4-cylinder, as well as the weight reduction we've done. So you would think it would be more, perhaps 50, 60 odd, but this 4-cylinder has a cast iron block, and the 6-cylinder that I ran in this car before had an aluminium block, and that's where the big weight difference comes in. These are super robust though. You know, this is 30-year-old technology. I mean, you wouldn't say so, but and it rips. It absolutely rips. I'll show you that in the next episode, I promise. I'm going to push super hard to get the build of this engine out in the next episode after this. So from here, I've got to do a couple more things. I need to sort out the oil cooler, and we just need to clean this thing up and then change all those other oils I never got to, and there's one or two things before Cape Town. So I'm not going to bore you with that stuff. What I'll do is at the track, I will show you when we're at Killarney, I'll show you a couple of things we're going to do just to help the aero a bit. But there we go, about 45 kilos lighter than the 6-cylinder. You know, I don't want to go to extremes and put fiberglass bonnets, and I don't like the Tupperware Queen look. I freaking hate it. It looks terrible. So I like the steel panels. I like pretty much what we've got going on here. I don't even want to go for wings and whatever. I just like this look, the original Super Touring look. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you can do this obviously at home. Like I said, there's a bit of cleanup work we got to do. Got to remove all the burrs, prevent it from rust. But I just wanted to show you what we could get to. You could also change the headlights out. Again, not sure if I want to do that because then you've got to put fiberglass inserts. I don't like the look of that. I like the original look. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. The next episode will be the build of this bad boy. It's gonna take me a long time to edit that, so I'm crossing my fingers we can get it out in time, and yep, we'll just take it from there. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys next time. See ya, bye.